Okay, the most important part that applies to all branches is the sales module. Sales are ongoing, and we have various options that we need to understand in detail. For instance, let's talk about opening cash. Often, people receive a message that their opening cash is not set, and their point of sale, POS, cannot be opened. For this, you need to enter your opening amount here. Whenever you conduct a transaction, you should always have some cash. When you start sales in the morning, you specify how much cash you have and then begin transactions. For example, if I have 5,000 rupees and enter the opening amount, the system will check. If cash has already been set and the opening is complete, the system will notify you and prevent you from setting it again. If there is no opening cash, your POS form will not open. The system will alert you that opening cash is required, and without it, the form will not open. Next, we have the drop cash option. This is a very important feature that you can use. For instance, if you purchase items daily for your shop, such as tea, cold drinks, or refreshments, you can record these expenses here. If you have permission or instructions from the head office, follow those guidelines. The system will show you that you spent 100 rupees. It will indicate that you had 1 rupee in the opening, there was no cash change, and the total sale is as recorded. This provides a complete cash ledger. If you ordered a 100 rupee cold drink for a specific customer, such as Mr. Ahmed, and you write down the retail price, once you save it, the system will automatically save and generate a slip. Print this slip and keep it with you. This way, 100 rupees will be counted in your cash. If you put 100 rupees into the cash counter, the 4,000 rupees you had will reduce by 100. The drop cash section will also show the status. It is important to note that you should perform all tasks with the head office's permission. I am only showing the software options. Another very important option we have is shift closing. We will look at the shift closing option briefly. In the next video, we will also review its report. If you want to view sales reports, go to the net sales summary report, just like in the previous support. If you request today's report and preview it, the system will show today's report for your location. You can view your cash flow, credit card transactions, and other bills. It will show your net import and other relevant information. Regarding sales receipts, if a customer comes and you need to print their receipt, you can select it here and preview it. The system will show you the receipt preview, and you can print it if needed. For sales return receipts, if a customer is returning an item, you can generate a sales return receipt. If your paper runs out or you encounter any other issue, click here. The system will display a list of bills. You can click on any bill, and the system will automatically show it as pending. Preview and print, and the system will print it directly on your printer. You can print it again if needed. Alright, we have covered the sales module, which is almost complete. The last option related to the sales module, shift closing, will be discussed in the next video.